are doing well. In today's class, we understand how we make the fourth layer of the cube. So let's start it. So first I make my cube. So now we scribbling our cube. So now first we make Daisy, you know this. Okay. Hmm. So now we match these corner, Now we match and down of two times. Okay. This we match. Oh, wrong again. We make again my wrong. I hope. Please make. So now we make second layer. Yes, when we make the second layer, so all place there is yellow. Here is yellow, here is yellow. So that time there is no. Now I tell you, here is no. So from here we start that and put them. This meet your parents and go to home. Okay. Mm, I will. This easily cause so after let's listen. After this what we do? Please found one this. I have this. We put this on here. Now sometime it is no that we want. It is no. So that time what we do? Any place we start it. If this reflecting light is no. Okay, so I have so now this color is my back. You see this, now do this. See, do this. Please think this is in your back. Now do down ish, in two times up. You come here, two times this and here. My all are ready. Anywhere is no proper. Here is also white, red. Now there is no. So now what we do? Or do you know these are wrong? Not wrong. Any place we started, any algorithm. I start from here, so much way it's come here. Okay, now I make it again. So now my cube is ready. This is the last thing to do. So I hope you're ready. Thank you.